Deteve.
Hi. Wait, no, what will? Hi. This is our mission site. This is Wednesday morning at 9:01 Eastern Time. Here's my partner, Brian.
Thank you very much.
Why don't we go up and show you our site? Come on.
This is one of the dogs that runs around at the site. There's the other one.
This is the house that we've been working on for the past 2 days. Let's go over here.
We'll show you what we have done. First day, we painted this entire side, this side,
Paint.
and that wall over on the right.
Pretty good. Yes.
And then our second day of work, we put in installation right here.
All up there.
That was the hardest day.
And over here is the installation machine.
You mean installation?
That's what she said.
Installation?
Installation. Beautiful, isn't it?
Nice. And down here is
Installation.
old installation.
Like this is the chicken that pecked out my eye.